Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be focusing on like the Tesla allowing like all the people that lease the vehicle to buy the vehicle at the end of the lease, and they just started recently uh, as of November 2027, November 27, 2024. All these vehicles are eligible for purchase. So here, eligibility starting November 27, 2024. All these Cybertruck Model S, Model 3, Model Y, Model X vehicles are eligible for purchase. Third-party dealerships are eligible to purchase leased vehicles. And note, in Iowa and Louisiana are not eligible for lease buyout. So if you're in those two states, you're locked out. Fees, a purchase fees of up to $350 applies to all vehicles. Local taxes and fees apply. And here, just telling you how you use the app and go through all that stuff, right? So, I want to take you to the Tesla website because recently they made some changes to the website, and I think it's better. It is right here. If you use my referral link in the description, you're going to get up to $2,000 depending on which vehicle you're buying. If a Model 3, Model Y, you get $1,000 off. But if you get a Cybertruck and Model X and S, you'll probably get $2,000 off. Okay, so let's check it out. So this is in the inventory. As you can see, it gives you pretty much everything you want to see and know about this vehicle here. This is a long range right here, $31,490, and it gives you the paint colors, stealth gray, the wheel size 19-inch, and the interior is black, and it's a 5-seaters right here. And over here, you can see everything's here right here. If you need more information, just hover on, and then it tells you. All right, this is a brand new vehicle, and give you the estimated range here. Brand new. This is a Model Y. This is a reduced price. So if you're looking for like discount wise too, it tells you right here too. It's this is a 2025 repaired. So you might wanna. This is long range rear wheel drive 32,000. Let's take a look at it. So hopefully they tell us something about this vehicle, like what they did with it. Okay, so price adjustment $1,000. So let's see if we go scroll down to somewhere down here. They'll tell us a little bit of information. What? No, it doesn't give us anything. But yeah, so they repaired something. Maybe during transit, you know what I mean? Something's wrong with it. Maybe a paint chip, bumper, something. They did it, but they did a price adjustment to lower the price for you. So if you don't mind about that one, you can get it. It's 2025 model, which is awesome. And let's see, this one has 20-inch wheels, and if you have this one has a tow right here too. So this one isn't like fully loaded. And let's see if the one that has full self driving, it probably has a little steering wheel on the bottom here too. I've seen it. But maybe this is a new one, so they don't have. We can try to use one, and I'll show you guys. You can see it. It gives everything you need to know. So here, where is the full self-driving? Let's see if I put full self-driving somewhere up here. There you go. You see right here, it gives you everything here. So this is a used long range 2022, 29,000. This one has full self-driving too. Only 27,000 miles. Not bad at all. So you got a couple of vehicles here. There's a long range and there's a rear wheel drive, and they both have FSD. And these are all the other vehicles that are nearby that you can purchase and then have it shipped to your nearest service center. Maybe $500 up to $2,000 depending on how far it is. But let's check out the Model 3, and then it tells you more about the lease options here. Oh, this is the used one. This is repaired. Let's try the new one. This is a long range all-wheel drive. Let's click on it. Okay, so as you said, my referral code. We know about this. We go to the lease, and let's see it. $2,999 for 36 months, 10,000 miles. And let's see if we can edit the terms here, if there's anything. And it tells you all about it. I think somewhere under, okay, so This one, lease vehicles are subject to $395 disposition fees at return. Option to purchase for $27,872 plus applicable taxes and fees, and purchase fees of up to $350 subject. So this is the ending after your lease. This is how much you're expecting to pay plus $395. So leasing, Tesla leasing is available in all of the states, and I think the other two states I mentioned was Iowa, and there's another state I forgot. But yeah, there you go. So if you're looking to lease a Tesla, not bad at all, right? This one's really nice. Let's see what's the cheapest we can get. 29,000. This one, long range rear wheel drive, 363 mile range. Not bad at all. And if you guys want to get a Model 3 Performance, you can do so as well too. I'm pretty sure they have it. I don't see, where's the Model 3 Performance? Here we go. Check out, see if they have it. This one is a reduced. This is the demo vehicle, but only has 740 miles, 41,000. Not bad at all. Jesus, that's pretty cheap for a performance model. This is a 2024, so you pay about what, like about $1,000 more, $1,200 more, and you get a brand new one. If you're really picky, and you want a brand new vehicle, you can do that. And if you don't care, you're saving $1,200, and you get the demo. This demo has a lot of miles, like 2,800, and because the color's blue, I guess you pay more for that. But yeah, so pretty much here, a bunch of colors, a lot of performance now, a lot of in stocks right now, a lot. So there's no need for you to wait. Oh, look at this nice color. Ooh, silver, 52,000. But this one probably doesn't qualify for the federal tax credit. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla or the referral code, I'll leave it in the description below. Other than that, thank you. Take care. Be safe. Till next time.